Yeah, when you try to try daw to follow.
Talaga.
Congressman Alden. Congressman ng Santa Rosa.
Ang daming mga fans dito. Board member, Jade Bautista. Ito, board member din natin. Board member from the 3rd district, from the 4th district, si Lisa. Lisa naman sa charge natin for the socio-economic department. Actually, we're holding a workshop here for the budget. So, nandito natin makikita ko. Kaya sabi ko, hindi sa mansion tayo pupunta. Dito na dito kami. Okay, nasa